This is really good because this now we're gonna add Western. We're gonna add, because that didn't seem Western enough. So we're gonna now add in the emotion of anger, more Westerny, and triple speed.
Oh my.
All right? I hate my job.
Oh, get me a beer.
Yeah,